Welcome, nieces and nephews. Welcome back, and thank you again for coming on over here and hanging out with your good old Auntie Nose and back in Auntie Nose kitchen. Yes, pull up a chair and sit a spell again. Today we're going to be doing something with some green beans. We're not going to the garden. I don't have a garden anyway. We're not going to the farmer's market. We're not going to pick any, okay? I'm not going to be doing some fresh green beans. I'm going to be doing canned green beans. Yes, right off the grocery store shelf. You can get any kind of green bean you choose. But I'm going to show you a little trade secret out there in the restaurant world that you all don't know about. Some of you may know, but some of you don't. For those of you that don't know, I'm going to tell you. I used to work at a chicken and biscuit restaurant many years ago, before I had my career with the government. I was a college student. But anyway, I used to be in the back cooking. I used to be in the one doing your little side items. And the green beans, you all love these green beans coming out of these fast food places, and you love these green beans coming out of these restaurants that you go sit down. Like if you're in the South, you know about Piccadilly and all these other places, and you see these little slivers of bacon. It's not, you can get dehydrated bacon bits, and you throw them in those little pots, little steamers or whatever. You wet it back up, and it blooms back up. So anyway, this is it, Goya. It's a ham flavored packet. Now I have 4 cans of 15-ounce cans of green beans, cut green beans, on the stove right now, and they're beginning to take boil. For every 2 cans you can use 1 pack. 1 can of 15-ounce green beans, you can still use 1 pack. But if you're using a 28 ounce, you still use 1, and that would do it. This is the secret. That's it. They're not putting ham hocks and all that. This is a ham flavoring packet. Each packet represents 1/4 pound of smoked ham. Okay, so I'm gonna do a swip and a flip, and we're gonna get started. Okay. Well, I'm halfway started because I got my green beans, but I'm gonna go over everything that I need, and I'm gonna show you what they do. Well, I'm gonna show you what I used to do. Yeah, because remember what I say sometimes, people eat with their eyes. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, I got my green beans. What I have done, I have 4 cans of 4 15-ounce cans of just straight green beans. They're great value. They're cut green beans. And when I say cut, there are different types of people that don't know, there are different cuts of green beans. These are cut. This is a cut. And I have a half of a medium diced onion, and I added 1, 2, 3. I have 4.5 cups of water. I added some olive oil because like I said, add a little oil, just a little bit of this is light, extra light taste virgin olive oil, just to make it seem like you got some oil. And then I'm going to add, since I use 4 cans, I'm going to add 2 packets of my Goya. Okay, 2 packets of my Goya. Now they're hard to you're gonna have to cut them open. Well, they may not be hard. It's kind of hard to get open to me. Cut that over there. Cut it loose and sink. Okay, just 1 pack in here. And I have this on this. It's boiling fast, isn't it, my friends? Don't add salt because there's salt already in there. Add your black pepper to taste. And I'm gonna let this boil down, and you're gonna let this boil down. And you see these green beans. You see they look like they straight, they've been canned. We're going to turn them into some southern green beans, okay? You know what that southern green bean look like. We're going to cook this down. It takes about 30 minutes to cook this down to where you get some goodness, okay, my family? So I'll see you guys in a snip, but I'm going to go sit down and chill out for about 30 minutes. Okay, family, see what I'm talking about? Let these beans just cook down, and look at there. You got your southern green beans from a can. And I'm going to get these poured into a bowl. I got that broth still in them. Ooh. Still got that good broth in them. Got some broth in them. Put a little, I like it. Juice. What my little black pepper? Cut up these potatoes in them. Voila, here we are, my good buddies. Yes, look at that. Let me get a spoon for you. It's hot. Look at that. I'm stirring around this black pepper and these onions. Look at that. You got, honey, you got a meal. Hold on, my family. Okay, see how easy that was? Simple and easy. You can get this at Walmart. They sell these. You get 6 to a pack at Walmart, or you can order them on Amazon, or if you get them at one of those international stores or one of the stores in the hood. You can get them like in a 24 pack. Okay. In a Hispanic part of the grocery store, not Walmart. They don't sell them in the huge, but you can find that 24 pack in one of those international grocery markets. You can find those. Oh, like Food Lion, Giant Food Depot. You can find them in a 24 pack like that too. So you have to, yes, utilize containers, honey. If you have to use them, reuse them. Okay, all right, my friends and family. Thank you so much for tuning in to my quick tutorial on tuning up those green beans, those canned green beans. Tumbles and stumbles sometimes. So again, thank you. To the next upload, I hope you all have a great morning, day, evening, night, wherever you are in this wonderful world of ours. Big hearts, hugs, and kisses to all of you until the next upload. And I thank you for your support to my channel. Hit that like button, please, if you choose to. And for those of you that are moseying on through, hope you come back and stick around, okay? Talk to you later, and to the next upload. See you soon. Bye.